In 1980, we had this amendment after 3 more years because they have seen increase in industrial production through optimum utilization of installed capacity. So the industrial production was very much increased because the everything was available, raw material was available, the skilled labor was available, the enough capital was available, and the government was also giving so much subsidies. So the industries were running at full optimum utilization, and the investment ceiling was increased. So for small scale industry or tiny units, the investment required was increased up to 2 lakhs. For small scale industry up to 20 lakhs, and for ancillary industry up to 25 lakhs. And promotion of village and rural industries like Adi craft, right? Adi Gramodyog Bhavan, where they sell dhotis and other village and household items. So that was done in the year 1980. Then come 1990, industrial policy resolution 1990. The investment ceiling was again raised for tiny units, 5 lakhs up to 5 lakhs you can invest. For small scale industry, up to 60 lakhs you can invest. For ancillary units, up to 75 lakhs you can invest. And 836 items were reserved to be produced by small scale industries. So to improve the competitiveness, establishment of technology development center in SITCO. So small industries development organization was formed to help these business units to improve the competitiveness and establishment of technology development center. And also they were conducting regular entrepreneurship development program for budding entrepreneurs to start investing in their area of interest. Then we have the new small scale enterprise policy 1991. This was the up, up 1991. We had the exclusive updation for small scale industry. The investment ceiling was raised up to 5 lakhs for tiny units, and Partnership Act was incorporated, which helped two or more people who have money to invest in the company. Market promotion was done. Raw material supply was properly organized, and there was an export development center at SITCO, which took care of exporting the developed products from the industrial center to the abroad. And finally, how to arrange for loans for all these companies. So all these mechanisms were revised in the Industrial Policy 1991.